My name is Vishal. I'm an explorer, a cricketer, a scientist, and a dreamer. I was born in the historical place of Vaishali, which is known for the origin of democracy in the world. It is also the birthplace of Lord Mahavir and significant in Buddhism culture. The culture of Vaishali had a great impact on me. It always taught me to look inside to find answers, to be happy internally and think differently, which was earlier unthought of. I consider myself lucky enough to be born in a defense family, where both my parents were two different ends of life philosophy spectrum. My father taught me importance of dedication and hard work, whereas my mother taught me the importance of care and patience. I completed my majority of schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Mount Abu. I was famous there for all other reasons than study. I was the captain of school volleyball team, head boy of the house, maybe the most famous kid of the school. But slowly, I started focusing on study as well. On completion of my schooling, I cleared one of the toughest examinations of this country, that is IIT JEE. Upon which I went on to join IIT Guwahati to pursue my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. The 4-year journey were like a roller coaster. Learning new things every day, making new friends, I enjoyed whatever I did in my college. I represented IIT Guwahati at Inter-IIT Sports Meet, which is considered the biggest inter-college sports meet of our country. Awarded with Best Player of the Year 2015 and various gold medals in volleyball and cricket. I won the air modeling competition in there in year 2014. This was the time my fascination with space started. I started reading about space exploration and wanted to see how it actually outside the Earth is. In my final year, I got this offer to work with Indian Space Research Organization as a scientist. That was the aha moment for me. I was getting to do what I wanted to do. I joined ISRO in the year 2016 at Space Application Center, Ahmedabad. I had a great excitement in me to be able to work in the space field. It was time to show my skills and implement my learnings to live projects. I started my journey with the GSAT-19 project. I learned a lot in this project, all the aspects and challenges in designing space components. Further, I worked on many projects such as India's heaviest satellite, GSAT-11, then GSAT-20, NISR, etc. I also worked in Chandrayaan-2 IRS payload, which is designed to study the moon's surface in 250 plus spectrum band and give data to the scientists here on Earth for mineralogical study of the moon's surface and study the origin of moon. I was also made the project manager for GSAT-29 QV-band payload, through which India was planning to establish the first ever QV-band communication link using satellite communication. On the success of this project, I was again made the project manager for the LFHR project, which is designed to capture the image of Earth in high resolution using a large focal length camera structure. On working with one of the greatest minds of our country and successfully completing many projects in this short span of time, I decided I don't want to stop here and want to achieve more in life and explore more in this world. I don't want to settle down so early in my career. My love for learning and sense of satisfaction in learning brought me to NITI in order to learn the niche of management. Upon completion of my degree from NITI, I will be looking forward to some challenging projects in corporate, which will excite me to push my boundary and learn by doing. I just want to keep moving in my life and don't want to stop ever and ever.